girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Aquarius, mate.
I'm a hot girl, I don't do titles. If I do, they it'll be Michael. Keep shit spicy, tipping tiny. Yellow bone chick look like Hey Johnny. Freaking the sheets, freak on the beats. Niggas been hooked since big old freak. I realized that I was a shit when R&B niggas wanna start rap beats. These niggas ain't got no name on them. Wish these hoes stop trying to put claim on them. He come around me, get game on him. If he don't go, then I already came on him. These new hoes sound like my mixtape. Bitches love saying my name like it's clickbait. I don't take shit if it come with conditions. I don't rock shit if it come in his name. I'm not your buddy, your cousin, don't sleep on me. Look like a lick, then I'm putting a freak on him. All of these niggas is begging to hang, cause my bitch a young thug and now I'm the bitch on me. Boy, I ain't finna read all that text, don't know what it said, but I send that to bet. Lately my patience been getting real low. Lately I feel like I need more respect. It was the money for me, ayy. He gon' go dummy for me, ayy. He ain't that cute, but he get dressed, he's to protect for me, ayy. It was the needs for him, the way that it squeezed for him, ayy. He done fucked a whole lot of bitches, but it was the me for him. Y'all wanna take me out so bad, I make all of y'all hoes so mad. Hoes went about them big ass teeth, even y'all smell still going outside. Hoes got jokes, but don't never wanna stand up. Hoes got bows, but you know I got handles. Damn, I must be Olivia Pope, cause y'all keep putting me in all of these scandals. He wanna hear one more time, I ain't pretty. Don't need no closure, my diamonds got clarity. Telling his new bitch that he don't do Instagram. Really, he hate when he's scrolling, see pics of me. Like a new show, all these niggas is into me. Funny how bitches turn into my enemy. I must be playing peekaboo, cause these hoes really can't see. Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Aquarius, mate.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a hold up. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to make it. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to make it. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing me. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Meg. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reversed. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing by none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a steak if he really. I don't be trusting these chicks cause they tricky. Send him a pic of some somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top on two in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Your bitches first and they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper than yellow, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall, cause when he be in there, she know he be cheap. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, huh? I'm in my bag, bitch, huh? I'm on your ass, bitch, huh? I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, huh? Bitch, I do pimp shit, huh? Oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, ayy.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for BeautyForever hair, and today I'm reviewing this 13x4 body wave unit. I do currently have it in 24 inches, and I would say the density on this one is probably about 150% density, maybe 180% density, but it's definitely on the thinner side. Even though I do have my hair up in these two cute little space buns up here, the rest of the hair is down, and this is all of the hair up front. So with that being said, I would definitely say this is a 150% density. It's not the thickest unit in the world, but it's still very much so manageable. So I did my own take on the Y2K vibe, and today I used this unit to do a half up, half down with 2 space buns, and I made them kind of like spiky space buns. Like my hair is actually coming together, which I wanted to kind of be more separate. But yeah, I just have like these really wild, like crazy space buns at the top, and then these 2 pieces in the front. I did go ahead and cut these pieces in the front so that they're just a little bit shorter. I didn't want them to be like too long. I feel like it looks better short like that, and then I just have the rest of the hair down. But I really do like this hairstyle. I think this is so fun. Now this is definitely my first time ever doing something like this. I've never styled my hair like this. I didn't watch a tutorial before doing this. I pretty much just went into it and tried to do my best, and this is what I came up with. So basically what I did was I took my ponytails and then I twisted them and then wrapped them around to where they can be space buns, but I left some of the hair out at the ends. And you're definitely gonna need rubber bands and bobby pins for this hairstyle. And I bobby pinned the hair like up, and I hairsprayed it too. So there's a lot that's going on with this unit. So definitely just play around with it. The best thing about it is that it doesn't have to be perfect. You can definitely play around with it, and you don't have to worry about like trying to make sure everything is in place, because it's one of those styles where it's supposed to be a little bit messy. It's supposed to be all over the place, and I like that about it. I think it's just so darn cute though. I just really like this look, and I just wanted to do something fun instead of doing like, you know, your typical middle part with baby hairs. I didn't want to do that. I just really wanted to challenge myself today and try something out of the box, and I think I did a pretty good job at executing this style. It turned out exactly how I wanted to, and that's the fun thing about it, is that, you know, when it comes to your hair, you just want to have fun with it. You don't want to be too hard on yourself, because trust me, when I first started doing my hair, I wasn't the best, but the more you do anything, the better you become. So just, you know, play around with it, have fun, get a little loose, don't be so judgmental. On the sides here, I did do a little bit of baby hair, so I did like a little swoop here and then a swoop down here. Same thing on this side, you know, 2 swoops on this side, and then these little 2 pieces in the front here. And this is how it looks. So the parting space goes back here. But one thing that I do want to say about this unit, you guys, is the fact that it's one of those units that doesn't really have a lot of space in the frontal. But even though I didn't have a lot of space, like, I definitely made it work with what I had. So I do give myself a round of applause for that, because I did make it work. Because on the sides here, like, the tracks are like right in the front. I did show you guys in the beginning of the tutorial what the inside of the unit looked like, so you guys can see exactly what I mean. But there's not a lot of space for, you know, parting or anything like that. So it's definitely one of those units that you can do a side part with, but you would have to curve it. And then this is how far back the middle part goes. So it's nothing too crazy, definitely standard. But all in all, the hair quality itself is really good. I do like how it flat ironed out. It's just like really silky straight. It's not like tangling up on me or anything like that, so I do like it. The only thing that I would say about this unit is that it's just a little too thin for me. I would definitely want this unit to be a lot thicker, because this is really cute and fun. So I'm going to show you guys where this hair is hitting on me. For reference, I am 5'2", so I'm definitely on the shorter side, but this is a 24-inch unit from BeautyForever hair. This is where the hair is hitting me in the back. So this is what it's looking like. Not bad. Scooch over. It's pretty long though to be a 24-inch, but a lot of 24 inches fit pretty long on me, so I'm not really surprised. And this is where it's hitting me in the front. So it's like to my belly button a little. But yeah, this look is just so fire, y'all. I had to show y'all how to do this. And all in all, I think this is a, you know, a decent unit. But yeah, all in all, I think this is a decent unit. I don't really have too many complaints other than the fact that it just should be a little bit thicker. But that's all up to you. You know, you could just order a thicker unit. So if this is 150% density, I would definitely go to like 180 to 200% density. 200 will probably be best for this style, because then you would have, you know, thicker buns, you would have, you know, longer, thicker hair at the bottom here. So it's really up to you what you like. And then as far as my outfit, this outfit is pretty old now. I bought this from Shein at least like 3 years ago now. I got it like a while ago. I specifically remember getting this in 2020, so it's, you know, it's been a while since I've had this. I don't know if they still have this on their website, so that is where I got it. And yeah, it's still giving, you know, it's definitely giving the Y2K vibes, like with the feathery sleeves and everything. It went perfect with this hairstyle, so I was like, I think this would be cute to pop out with, so yeah. But all in all, you guys, those are my thoughts on this unit from BeautyForever hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, BeautyForever hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.